Morning everybody. We having couple problems here at the Peninsula Concrete. So the situation we have is 6 o'clock in the morning and the temperature is about 20 degrees. It's only 20 degrees. So we're dealing with cold temperatures. So we got multiple issues, multiple problems in this port. We got two guys that call in. Perfect. You guys in the contractor works, you know what I'm talking about. You're trying to schedule ports and people got the doctor appointment, they don't feel well, my head hurts, my dog is sick, all the kind of excuses in the world. So 2 men down, but that won't stop us. And the other problem we have, the concrete truck, the water lines are froze. So he's trying to put water in there all manually. All his system is frozen. He's too goddamn cold. Thomas in the house, the only reliable guy we can find around this place. But Luke is driving. He knows his rig pretty good. So he's just adding water right from the top. Hopefully he get the lines unfrozen. Where is he? You got them going? No.
Like a 5.5.
Okay, I guess we roll with that. So yeah guys, two guys call in. The concrete road lines for the water are froze, so the slump is about a 3. I told him make it a 5, make it a 6. I wanna make sure we can roll this concrete. So very interesting day. Check it out guys, look at the concrete coming out of the shoe. This concrete is about a 3-inch slump. This is not what you want to pour a garage. This is the kind of concrete you want to pour curb. It's so stiff that it was so hard to rake. We spent extra time raking this concrete more than we should. Anyhow, we got these edges and the whole perimeter crispy. We chalk couple lines around the perimeter to ensure that we got the proper height. And we keep on raking. It was nice that Luke, the concrete driver, got out of the truck and give us a hand. Right now I am doing like some wet pads with couple gray pins that I have in the ground. We are ensuring that this concrete floor is as flat as possible. Shout out to Thomas because he never refuses a pour. He's a kid fresh out of high school and he's always been there helping me. So thank you Thomas for your help. It means a lot to Peninsula Concrete. Even though when we were struggling big time pouring this floor, I enjoyed pouring concrete so much. Waking up early to listen to the sound of music. Waking up early to listen to the sound of money. I mean, the concrete truck roaring early in the morning. Having that pressure on my shoulders. Having a little bit of pressure on my chest. Making sure that I don't gonna have to pay to remove this concrete because it didn't turn out great. It's like a feeling that I love. It's thrilling to wake up in the morning to go and pour concrete. It's truly amazing. So I encourage everybody to pour concrete at least once in your lifetime. So at this point we are almost done pouring concrete. We are doing the final touches on this slab, making couple more wet pads to ensure that we can ride the machine to keep making this concrete flat. Also, one of the things that I enjoy, one of the process of concrete that I enjoy the most is wiping the concrete with the hand make and the steel trowel. I like the sound that it makes. It makes me relax. I feel whole, and this is one of the big times when I find inspiration, besides the workout that it gives me. Okay. This slab looks pretty okay. After having so many problems with the concrete truck, the water was frozen, all his lines was frozen, so he got about 3 inches of slump for the winter time. This thing was very much unbreakable, but that wasn't an issue for us, because when you hire Peninsula Concrete, the cream of concrete, you get quality floors. So we did have to put a bunch of time both floating it and filling all the low spots, but it looks really good. I'm about to seal it, so come check it out, see how I seal this. This is the 5th slab we poured, I think. We have one more to go in the other side, I'll show you. Okay. So this is the final product. Looks pretty good. And we have one more. It's over there with blankets. We just have to put the end cap on this one, and then we jump into driveways. But temperature was so cold, it was 20 degrees. When we were pouring this slab, you can see that some water in the concrete was kind of getting frozen on top of the concrete, so that's not good. I took out my power trowel and get rid of that problem. But now the temperature is in the 40s. Those of you people in Texas saying, oh, it's too cold because you got 45 degrees. Give me that all day long. And keep whining, keep complaining. 45 is warm. 45 is perfect. Shout out to Luke, the driver from Little Bay. He went above and beyond to make his truck work. He's getting stuck a couple times at the job site, and he just find ways to make it happen. So thank you, Luke. If you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe. All right, now let's get to seal this thing. I will say, if you never sealed before, make sure you got your glasses. Sometimes this sealer just blows, so sometimes this sealer get caught by the wind and it might blow in your eyes. So, rule of thumb, when you gonna seal it, wear your goggles. And pump it really good. Merci, Garcia. Shout out to Garcia Concrete. Si andas en el emprendimiento, apúntale. Apúntale. Alright, we just come back to put plastic and blankets on this concrete. Temperature right now is about 36 degrees, and in couple hours it's gonna drop to 22 Fahrenheit. So we better put some blankets on this puppy, because we don't want hydration to stop. We wanna keep this thing curing, nice and snug, so he can gain his desired PSI. Alright, stay tuned and watch us put plastic and then blankets on top of it. just put some blankets. Now we are putting lumber, make sure the wind doesn't get these blankets blown away. And then we'll be doing this for nothing. So yeah, just put a little bit of 2x4, 2x6s, anything pretty much. We put some blankets vertical and some in horizontal. We double it just to make sure it stays nice and warm. Keep gaining PSI as the days go by, as the time goes by, as the hours go by. As the temperature drops, this concrete is gonna keep warm. Okay, 2 rolls of blankets, we're going home. We gotta step away from this project and go pour. We have to put this apron for Northern Machine, for John Lee's. This logo right here. Northern Machine and Repair. 35 feet by 68, 8 inches thick. Heavy traffic for semis, heavy equipment, all kinds of equipment that you can imagine. Number 8 rebar, 16 on centers. So that's gonna be interesting. Alright, stay tuned for the content. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Peace.